new topic. The name of the chapter is the reconstitution of a partnership firm, admission of a partner. So first of all, let us see what we have to read here. Those topics are: explain the concept and reconstitution of a partnership. After reading this chapter, you can answer this: what is the meaning of reconstitution of a partnership firm? Then you can again explain what is the identify the matters that need adjustments in the books of firm when a new partner is admitted. Again, you can give answer that determine the new profit sharing ratio and calculate the sacrificing ratio. You can also define goodwill and enumerate the factors that affect it. You can also explain the methods of valuation of goodwill, the different methods. You can also describe how goodwill will be treated, that accounting treatment of goodwill, and make necessary adjustment of the revaluation of assets and reassessments of liabilities, and make necessary adjustments for accumulated profit and loss. That also you can explain. Determine the capital of each partner if required according to the new profit sharing ratio and make necessary adjustment. This particular point is no longer in your syllabus for this year. And make necessary adjustments on change in the profit sharing ratio among the existing partners. So these are the points what you have to learn here. Next, you have to know the meaning of reconstitution of a partnership firm. A reconstitution means re-establishment. As we know that partnership means the relationship between the partners. So the moment the relationship will change in the among the partners, that is nothing but that will call as the reconstitution. And when those things may happen at the time of admission of a partner, that profit sharing ratio will change. If there is any change in the profit sharing ratio by those partners, if there is any retirement, if any partner will retire from the partnership firm, and if any partner will die, then also the profit sharing ratio will change and there will be a reconstitution. Next, we have to read first that what is the meaning of profit sharing ratio. This is a very important topic because the moment there is a reconstitution, there is a change in the relationship between the partners, there is a change in the profit sharing ratio, and we have to understand this basic concept to solve those questions related to this topic. In case of profit sharing ratio, there may be broadly two types of questions. The first type of question is when only the share of profit of new partner is given, but it not mentioned in which proportion he has acquired that from old partner. And then we have to assume, okay, so what kind of question will be that in this types of question only the new partner share of profit will be provided in the question, and you have to find out the profit sharing ratio. How to do it? Let us take one example and elaborate it. For example, this question, Anil and Vishal are partners sharing profits in the ratio of 3:2. They admitted Sumit as a new partner for 1/5 share in the future profits of the firm. Calculate new profit sharing ratio of Anil, Vishal and Sumit. Just you see in this case only that how much profit that new partner, that is Sumit, will get, that is mentioned, and that is nothing but the 1/5. Nothing else is written regarding that new partner's profit. So in these types of question, that procedure is very simple. You just first think that total profit be 1. As we know that whole part of anything is equal to 1. Therefore, total profit is equal to 1. And how much is new partner share? That is Sumit's share. Sumit's share is 1/5, as we have got here, 1/5. Now, if we'll give 1 by 5th from 1, then how much we will get, how much will be left? That is known as the remaining share. 1 minus 1 by 5, if we will deduct it, then we will get 4 by 5. So this 4 by 5, this share will remain in the profit sharing, and this part, this 4 by 5 will be divided by the two other partners, that is Anil and Vishal, in the old ratio, that is 3:2. How? Let us see it. Therefore, Anil's new share is equal to 3 by 5, that is the 3 by 2, what it was, 3:2, 3 by 5 of, or we can write here also multiplication, 4 by 5, this 4 by 5th ka 3 by 5. And if you multiply it, you will get 12 by 25. Now, Vishal, how much Vishal's share will be? That remaining share 4 by 5 of 2 by 5. His share was the 2 by 5, 2 by 5. So, if you multiply it, you will get 4 into 2 is equal to 8 by 25. So, now we got it. Now, what will be the new profit sharing ratio of Anil, Vishal and Sumit? That will be 12:8:5. How? We have got here 12. Here we got 8, but here Sumit's share is 1 by 5. Now to make it equivalent equivalent fraction, we know that, see here in both these two denominators are 25. So now to make this Sumit's denominator also 25, what we have to do it? We have to multiply this by 5 by 5. So if we multiply it 5 by 5, then how much you will get? 5 by 25. Therefore, the ratio will be 12:8:5. 12:8:5. That is the new ratio. So this is the type of question where only the new partner share is given. So the basic thing is, first you have to take the total profit as 1. You have to divide that new partner's profit out of that whole profit. How much will be left? That you have to divide among the old partners in their old ratio. This is very simple. Next type of question can be, if in the question it is mentioned that new partner has acquired a particular proportion from all the partners. So that is another type of question. And in that case, first of all, you have to calculate that how much that all partners have sacrificed. So let us see some example, and I hope you can understand. The question here is, Akshay and Bharti are partners sharing profits in the ratio of 3:2. They admit Dinesh as new partner for 1/5 share in the future profit of the firm, which he gets equally from Akshay and Bharti. Calculate new profit sharing ratio of Akshay, Bharti and Dinesh. So first you see that in this question, new partner is getting 1/5 of the share, and this 1/5 share he is taking out equally from those Akshay and Bharti. So first of all, we have to find out that how much Akshay is giving towards the Dinesh and how much Bharti is giving towards the Dinesh, and that is what we are calling as a sacrificing. All right. So sacrifice made by Akshay. How much he has sacrificed? Half of 1/5. If you will multiply it, you will get 1 by 10. How much Bharti has sacrificed? That same half of 1/5 share of Dinesh, and you will get how much? 1 by 10. Now new share, Akshay's new share. How much share Akshay had? 3/2, 3:2. That means 3 by 5. Out of that 3 by 5, he has sacrificed 1 by 10 to Dinesh. So he used to get 3 by 5 as profit. Now he has sacrificed 1 by 10 to Dinesh. How much will be left? 5 by 10. I hope you can calculate this ratio. Next, calculate on the same way as Bharti's shares. So Bharti used to get 2 by 5. Out of that, she has sacrificed 1 by 10. 1 by 10. So 2 by 5 minus 1 by 10 is equal to 3 by 10. Now how much Dinesh will get? Dinesh's share is given, that is 1 by 5. Now as you see, for Akshay and Bharti the denominators are 10, 10, but in case of Dinesh the denominator is 5. Therefore we have to make the denominator equal. What we have to do, we have to multiply this 1 by 5 with 2 by 2, and if you will multiply it, then you will get 2 by 10. So therefore the new profit sharing ratio between Akshay, Bharti and Dinesh will be 5:3:2. 5:3:2. So here what did I say? If in the question it will be given that new partners will take that profit at a certain percentage. In this question it is equal. Then first you calculate the sacrifice made by the old partners, how much sacrifice they have made, and then deduct how much sacrifice they have made from the old profit sharing, and you will get the new profit sharing ratio. Got it? There may be another type of this particular question, same question, only that see the fractions proportion are different. In this question, Anshu and Neetu are partners sharing profits in the ratio of 3:2. They admitted Jyoti as a new partner for 3 by 10 share, which she acquired 2 by 10 from Anshu and 1 by 10 from Neetu. Calculate the new profit sharing ratio of Anshu, Neetu and Jyoti. So how to calculate? Again, just you see that 3 by 10 is the new partner share, and that 3 by 10, how that new partner is getting? 2 by 10 taking from Anshu and 1/10 from Neetu. So here sacrifice is already given. How much sacrifice Anshu made? 2 by 10. And how much sacrifice Neetu made? 1 by 10. So we got it. Now to calculate that new share, that method is same what you have done in the last question. Anshu what will be the new share of Anshu? She had 3 by 5 minus how much she has sacrificed, that is 2 by 10 is equal to 4 by 10. And Neetu's shares will be 2 by 5, how much she had earlier, minus 1 by 10, how much she sacrificed, is equal to 3 by 10. And Jyoti's shares it is already given 3 by 10, so Jyoti's share 3 by 10. Therefore, new profit sharing ratio between Anshu, Neetu and Jyoti will be 4:3:3. So that's all for today, guys. I hope you have understood. You will get some questions to solve as homework. So please try to do those. Wish you best of luck. We'll meet you again in the next period. Till then, take care. Bye bye.